Hey, happy people. So, everyone in my house has been sick. We all got that nasty cough that's going around. I just got my voice back, and I'm really happy that it's back. But while we were all sick, we realized that we had a little bit of a problem. Someone is always grabbing the tissue box and taking it away, and then we can't find it, and someone sneezes, and it's just disgusting, and that's enough of that. So I decided to make a 6-station that we could all share, and I thought it turned out pretty cute. My kids thought it was really fun and entertaining, and I thought I'd share it all with you. So I hope you enjoy. Okay? As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a really lovely day. Bye. Okay. The moment of truth. Does the 6-station work? Yep. It's a success. Yay.